Wash about 800-gram chicken pieces, grind to paste. 2 onions, green chilies, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 large tomatoes, finely chopped 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons full coriander powder, 2/3 TSP bidagi or Kashmiri chili powder, non-spicy 1/2 TSP of spicy powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, juice 1/2 lemon, salt to taste. Mix well and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat a pan or a wok. Heat 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Drop 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks. Add 1 chopped onion, fry till shallow brown marinated chicken. Stir fry, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add a glass of water, cover, and cook for 5 minutes. Garnish with chopped coriander. Your curry is ready to serve.